Oh my gosh, are you okay? Emma? Okay. Hey y'all, it's Emma here at Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're super excited to show y'all this camper because not only is this an awesome camper, but it's a brand new floor plan. This is the 2026 Grand Design Transcend Explorer 19BHX. But y'all, we know that you can find this camper anywhere in America, but what you can't find is another Cookeville RV Marine. We are family owned and operated, so we're gonna treat you like family every step of the way, so be sure to come see us. And if you also wanna check out our Google reviews, we have over 1,000 of them and 4.7 stars. Before we get started, be sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time we post a video like this one. On the entertainment side of our camper, we do have this massive and really nice awning, and we even have a nice LED light strip underneath it as well. We even have indoor-outdoor speaker systems right here as well, so you can keep the party going all night long. And we also have an outlet right here as well. If you want to set up a table and maybe pop up a TV or something like that, you can plug it in right there. For your furry friends to hang out with you, we even have our leash hitch right here, but if you don't have a dog or anything like that, you can use it as a bottle opener as well. I'll also mention this really nice G-glass door. What this is, it's a door that you can see out of when you're inside of the camper, but someone can't see in, so you've got all the privacy in the world. Let's check out our storage. On that same entertainment side, we do have this nice storage area for all of your bags or anything that you just want to throw under here, but that's not all. Under our camper, we also have this nice area here that's perfect for all of your larger items. So this is just a great area for all of your things. And it even comes with this nice table that I was talking about before that you can put your TV on, or you can even use it inside, which we'll get to later. But other than that, these floors are also super easy to clean up. So if you're throwing a muddy hose in here or anything like that, you can just take something and clean it up with super easy, and it's not gonna make your floors all nasty. This is also the same floors that are on the inside, so that's just a great feature. And I'll also mention that this is really well lit, so if you need to get in here at night and you're worried about not being able to see your bags or even the table or anything like that, don't worry about that. Across from me, we even have our convenience bay, so once you pull up to that campground, all of your hookups are gonna be over in that area. Let's get to the inside. As soon as you walk into your camper, you're gonna notice that your control panel is right here, so that's great to have right as you walk in. This is gonna control that awning outside and also your LED light that's under your awning, as well as some of our interior lights and even your tanks and things like that. Under that, we also have our indoor-outdoor speaker control right here, so that's great to have right there as well, right next to the door. And I'll also mention that we have an outlet also right at the entrance, so if you're needing to plug up your devices or just anything that you want closer to the door, it's perfect because it's right there. Let's check out our sleeping area. To your right, as soon as you walk into your camper, we have our nice and private bedroom area. And I say private because we do have a great privacy curtain, which is really nice. We also have some windows on both sides here of the bed so that you can look out at the campground, which I love, get some natural lighting. And we also have all the storage in the world here. Next to our queen bed, we have a shelving system here on this side, and on the other side, we do have a bar so that you can hang your clothes if you want to. And we even have some space up here that you can put your blankets or even extra supplies that you want to bring to the campground, anything like that. But that's not all. We also have these nice little bedroom nooks on both sides of me, so you can put your phone there, your CPAP if you need to, because we do have outlets and even USB-C ports if you need to charge anything or just plug anything up. That's an option for you. And we also have a special place that you can mount a TV if you'd like to, and there's even an outlet right above that. But that's not all of the storage we have. Under our queen size bed, not only do we have a nice area for some hidden storage space, we also have a nice place to put your shoes whenever you walk in, and you can just kick them off. Let's check out our dining area. Right across from our bedroom, we do have this nice and cozy dinette. This is just a great place to have all of your family here, maybe play some card games if you're not eating at it. And I'll also mention that this comes down and it does make a bed area if you have a couple extra kiddos or an extra guest. We even have a nice window here that's perfect for looking out at the campground. But if you want some privacy, obviously we do have these nice curtains here as well. We even have some storage space up above us for any of your kitchen things or dining things, really whatever you want to put in there. It's going to fit anything because we've got lots of shelves here and lots of space to take advantage of. Let's check out our bunks. Right behind of our dinette, we do have two nice size bunks here for your kiddos. We even have an outlet right behind me as well as USB-C, USB ports so that they can plug in their devices or anything that they need to plug in. It's perfect for that. We also have lots and lots of storage space under here if you need to throw any sleeping bags for any reason or camping things. You can throw anything under there because it's a huge area. The kiddos even have their very own privacy curtains, so that's a nice option to have. But let's take a look at our kitchen area. You'll also notice before you get into the kitchen that there are no slides in this camper, which is nice if you're squeezing in any tight spaces or anything like that, or just want an easy tow. This is a great camper because we still have lots of room for a walkway and all of your important areas. In our kitchen, we have plenty of space for all of your cooking supplies and meals and anything you want to put in here. And we also have a spice rack here as well. But that is a huge pantry, y'all, and you don't see that in a travel trailer very often that has no slides. We even have a microwave, of course, a special place to mount your TV if you choose to. That's also right across from our dinette area if you want to sit and hang out and watch a movie or two. We even have a nice sink that has a retractable nozzle that's perfect for doing all of your dishes. And the sink is a farmhouse style sink, so it's nice and huge for all of your big pots and pans. We even have a paper towel holder as well to take advantage of all this space here, which is really nice. You don't have to have it out on the counter or anything. And we even have outlets over here as well, which is great if you're having any baking supplies that you need to plug up. Sorry. So if you have any appliances or anything that you need to plug up right there, it's perfect for that. Moving on over to our stove here, we have a 3-burner stove and we have more storage right here. That's perfect for all those large pots and pans or really just anything you want to put in here. There's plenty of space for that. But we also have a nice place for our trash can, which is great so that it's not rolling around when you're traveling. We even have this space right here that's perfect for your sponges or if you want to, roll up any wash rags or anything like that to do your dishes. It's perfect for that. And if not, we have even more space. We have a nice and massive fridge and also freezer here that's perfect for all those popsicles and cooking things. But that's not all. We have this special place for your furry friends. This can have all their food and water in here, but if you don't have a pet, you can also remove these, so that's a nice option to have as well. Let's check out our bathroom. In our bathroom, we have even more storage in here as well, so don't worry about that. We have a medicine cabinet that also has a mirror on the outside, which is a great feature. We have a nice size sink with an outlet right next to it and even more storage underneath the sink that's perfect for your toilet paper or even a trash can if you want to put it there. We have even more storage area beside of our shower here that's perfect for your rolled up towels and even toilet paper here if you want to put it there instead. We also have a foot flush toilet right underneath that. But we also have hooks right across from the toilet if you want to hang up your robes or wet towels or anything like that. Let's get into our shower. In our shower, we have a nice skylight, so it's great if you're extra tall, you're going to fit in here, so I love that. And you're also getting extra natural lighting in here too, so it's not super dark or anything like that when you close the curtain. We also have a removable shower head that's perfect if you have a muddy dog or anything like that you want to hose down. That's great. And we even have built-in shelvings here. So if you're interested in this Transcend or any other Transcend from the Grand Design line, be sure to give us a call, shoot us a text, or visit us online at CookevilleRV.com where your adventure awaits.